Are you coming to watch the epicness of this? Did you lock it in a room?
What?
Is it locked in there?
Except the bathroom door is closed. This is creepy.
It's not in the cage. Christina's weapon. She's still in there. Yo, where's your bird? Where's your bird?
Put that down!
That was my boredom. Where is it? I can't see.
There.
Oh, there he is! I can't zoom with this stupid thing.
Okay.
No, I can't.
They're both so far away.
Hello. How are you? Are you having fun? And Christina's got her weapon still. And this one's trying to steal it. Birdie!
Drop it.
Come here.
Wait.
No, I want her to.
I want to see if she'll get onto this.
She's looking at my finger, but she doesn't want me.
I'm afraid of it. Apparently she's scared. Come on, it's not that pointy.
It's not that. Oh, come on.
Finger.
The birdie.
Just look at the camera, girl.